3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is me, Shrishti Lohar. You know what? I really love doing this, sitting in front of camera and just talking with you guys. That too about haul videos. So I really love doing haul videos and काफी टाइम हो गया था मैंने haul videos ना किए हुए. So recently I have purchased few tops from Triple S. You guys know it already how much I shop from Triple S. So here we are back again, styling tops that I purchased from Triple S. मैंने ना ट्रिपल एस से इतना ज़्यादा हॉल वीडियोस कर लिया है कि मुझे लगता है ट्रिपल एस को फाइनली मुझे स्पॉन्सर कर ही लेना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस? एंड वन थिंग, मुझे ना इस बार इतना ज़्यादा क्यूट टॉप्स मिला है ना ट्रिपल एस से दैट आई कांट वेट टू शो यू गाइस एंड आई कांट वेट टू स्टाइल देम इन माय वे. So yeah, I just can't wait it. I'm too excited. In fact, मैंने unboxing भी नहीं किया इसका. So इसका मैं short video भी बनाऊंगी and hopefully I might also upload it on Instagram. So जाके please check कर लेना guys. My Instagram link is right here and do follow me. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe guys. And if you are my regular viewers or if you do enjoy watching my videos, then please do leave a feedback in the comment box below. That will help me to keep growing and making more contents. So yeah, please do that. और क्या बोलने वाली थी मैं? ना सुबह से इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है सिलगुड़ी पे. मैंने सोचा कि जब बारिश रुकेगी तब मैं वीडियो करूँगी, बट नहीं, बारिश तो रुकने की नाम ही नहीं ले रही है. इनफैक्ट whenever I sit down to film something, you know, always background noise has to happen. Okay, so before we begin, let's unbox it. These are the new ones which I have recently purchased. and इसके साथ काफ़ी oh god, and इसके साथ और भी काफी टॉप्स है जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. So that's how I'm going to style it. Okay, keep watching. So firstly we have this cute corset tube top. I guess so. Tube? No, it's not a tube top. Okay, so firstly we have this cute pink corset top which has a string on the sleeves, and look at it. This is so cute. I mean the color. I just can't wait to wear it. Oh. I feel like this is going to be my favorite. And secondly, I have this black tube top जो कि काफ़ी attractive दिख रहा था तो मैंने ले लिया because tube top मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही है, that तो वो pink वाला, and you guys have seen it. इसका मैंने already get ready with me बना लिया है. So and second ये वाला black में. And third is again this cute white t-shirt. This is a crop t-shirt and it says I'm literally just a girl. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the moment I saw this top, I just fell in love with it. I actually love how the shoulder strap has the same detailing and the backside is not too deep. This one totally gives me a soft girly look. There were many ways to style it, but this one I found it elegant. I got this in medium size and I can say it fits me pretty well. Next we have a black tube top. I felt the bottom part was not up to the picture and the fabric was too thin. Firstly, I paired this up with my favorite white skirt which I don't wear often, but I liked how it gave me an old money look. But then when I changed the bottom with my black denim and added the choker, oof, I loved it even more. Tell me which style would you prefer, and this one is in the size small. Third, we have a very cute Pinteresty aesthetic crop t-shirt that says I'm literally just a girl. This one is in the size medium and I just love how it fits me and it literally goes with anything. Next we have this ruffled sleeve top, or what else would I call it. After I put this on, I realized I have gained weight. After that, I couldn't think otherwise. So I got this top a long time ago just because of its color. It's neutral and goes with anything. In the size M. Next we have a corset top that looks way different from the picture. I hope you guys guessed how the material quality must be. But also it's not that bad. Again in the size M. And lastly, we have a tie-up crop shirt. This one is actually better in quality from the picture shown, and this looks more better outside a crop top. That's how I made a knot, and I got this in the size M. Okay, so guys, we've finally come to the end of this video, and I genuinely hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to upload more such related contents on my channel, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked it, then don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, look at this mess I've created. I need to fold this all now.